Okay, here's a maker hack for those of you who work out of your garage like I do. I just work in a small space and you want an overhead camera to film what you're doing instead of kind of the side like this video. So my overhead hack is, you know when you're driving in the car and you put your cell phone, you stick one of those things on your dash and you stick your cell phone to it? I stuck one to my garage door. So I'll show you more. I'll take it off here and I'll show you. But basically I can get another angle from here. I can rise my garage door up a little bit and get a different angle, and then I can put my garage all the way up and I'll get a flat lay. So the brand I'm using, I'll stick a link here, so it'll be at the top of my link tree for a week. I don't think it matters what kind, but the kind I bought was the cheapest, of course, and it was the Hula Plus. So I'm gonna take this off here and I will show it to you. Okay, so kind of ignore this piece. I actually had like a push light up here at one point, but this would stick fine to any garage door. So basically you just stick your phone to here. It's a little bit sticky. And then over here, there's a latch. So once I stick the phone on there, I kind of do this and it suctions. You can see how that's working. It suctions my phone right on there. So I'm gonna now stick the phone on here and then show you how I use it. Actually, I can do part of that right here. Here it goes. Okay, so now I have it on that piece of my garage, so I could film this direction, or, hold on, I'm raising my garage door. Okay, I can kind of do this, and because it's mobile, I can move it. So this is kind of, whoops, except for my garage door is falling. Usually it doesn't do that. So I can pick an angle that I want. All right, that's kind of a cool angle. Or I'm gonna go and bring it all the way up. And then I can move this however I want. And now I have a flat lay. Okay, kind of a cool tip, right? All right, I know that was a little bit of a strange maker tip, but it's been like one of those dumb things that's been so helpful for me. I just love little hacks like that. So if you try it, let me know if it works for you.